Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport for those of you who want to come and visit us in person, which we love to have you do. Well, today we're going to talk about one of my favorite cars, a 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner convertible. You are certainly going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we'll do a cold start, walk around, give you all the details of this car. If you can't wait for that, you can click on the link in the description. It'll take you right to our website, which will also have all the information, pricing, and whatever you want to know about our 1956 right at your fingertips. Plus, you have access to over 100 additional vehicles we currently have on our sales floor. Our website being www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Yes, we have over 100 cars ranging from cars in the 1920s all the way up into the 2000s and beyond. So if you're looking for your first collector vehicle or your 100th, odds are Ellingson Motor Cars probably has something that'll fit right in. Well, let's get to the crux of the matter today. 1956 Ford Sunliner. Of course, the Fairlane was the top of the food chain, the highest priced, most optioned out vehicle that they had in 1956. And this one in the beautiful, Fiesta Red, Colonial White color combination, it just speaks 1950s all the way around. Well, yes, this car has just an absolute great look. Little changes, mostly sheet metal, same from 55, 56. Few small subtle changes. The trim down the side of the car is wider. The front marker lights, parking lights, if you will, are oval rather than round. Well, the neat thing about this car also is what sits under the hood. This does have the 312 Thunderbird engine right there, always on the sides. They always let you know that's what it is. When you look at the little emblems right here, it always says Thunderbird V8 right there. Yes, this car is just absolutely loaded with options. Of course, it's got the automatic transmission, so anybody can jump in this car and drive it. But here's the thing that's really cool about this car. The options and the quality of this car. That chrome on this car is absolutely impeccable with the extra bumper guardettes on the front. I love the little treatment right here with the gold around on the Ford crest. Still has the rocket ship stuff, which I liked as a kid, no matter what, on the hood, whatever. But what's under the hood? When I said this car was the top of the line, it has several really, really nice features that, we're kind of accustomed to in our late model cars. But this car has both power steering, which is really nice on any of these old cars. I don't care what. It just makes life a little easier for parking and going down the road, whatever. Number two, it's got power brakes. Another thing, you get this car going down the road. This is certainly a road car. It'll certainly hit highway speeds at the drop of a hat. Nice thing to have good brakes. The other thing that this car has under the hood, which is really special for Ford, two things. Number one, 1956, first year that Ford went to the 12-volt electrical system. Boy, was that a nice improvement for me. I just love how nice they start, so much quicker than that 6-volt system that they had from way back in the 20s or 30s or whatever. So that is a nice improvement. But it's got one very special item, and it's a dead giveaway if you look at the dash on this car. It has factory air conditioning. Now, talk about a rarity. That really is, especially on a convertible. And it's the first year that factory air conditioning was offered on the passenger cars for Ford. So there you go. You've got a car that's got, power steering, power brakes. It's the big 312. It's got the automatic. It's got the air conditioning. And I'm looking in here. Has another feature. Power windows. Oh, like I said, whoever ordered this car when it was new really stepped up the program. The other thing that I really like about this car, of course, is the wide whites with the full hubcaps. Very, very nice looking, very correct for 1956. Someone will ask, do we have the skirts for the car? Yes, we do. We have the skirts are in the trunk, come with the car. Some people like skirts on, some people don't. So we just kind of made the choice that we left them off for this pictures right now, but they are included with the car. One other really nice, of course, this is 50s, Continental kit to boot. I mean, you talk about a car that's got all the features with the special antenna, Continental kit, dual exhaust. Oh my gosh. And like I said, this color combination has to be one of my favorite all time. And of course, it's a convertible. I mean, we got the correct matching boot, the correct interior, a white power top, mere pull of a switch, and boom, this car starts right now, and that top goes right on up. Very, very nice thing to have, especially on these old cars. Now, you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much. You'll have all the information on this car, our current inventory, and an added bonus, some of the cars we've sold over the last several years as well. So if you got time to peruse those websites, I highly recommend that, because that's something that I do when I sit on an airplane, or I'm sitting waiting in a doctor's office, whatever. I take a look at some of that stuff, and you'll get to see all of our stuff that we have currently on our sales floor. And again, remember our website being ellingsonmotorcars.com, because you want to go there, because that will have all the current inventory. They have some specials. We also offer several important things that, especially if you're buying old cars or having old cars, we can offer financing, something that a lot of people don't realize. We can get financing on all these old cars. We have several sources for it. So if you want to have this car and financing's holding you up, give us a call, 763-428-7337, and we'll do our best to get you the best rates and get you the car of your dreams to be in your parking lot or in your driveway. Now, the other thing, speaking of which, how do we get this? I live in California. I live in Texas. I'm in Florida. We have also can help you arrange for that shipping as well. So we have many sources to get cars shipped, for that matter, any place in the world. We've sent cars as far away as Pakistan, New Zealand, Australia, Russia, you name it. We've sent it. Just, check out our website. We got a nice toolbar on the top, has all those features. One last one on there that I always mention is the fact that we do have a car finder. If this isn't quite the car that you're looking for at the moment, check out our car finder, put your information in, and that way, if we get your dream car comes in, you'll be the first one we will give a call, because it lets us know that's what you're looking for, something a lot of people do, and it works very, very well. The last thing is, I guess I'm always saying, if you own a Ford like this, join the local club, join the Ford club, join the international club, join whatever club. I don't care if it's a Ford, Hudson, Studebaker, Packard, you name it. It's nice to belong to a car club that the people have the same passions and love that you do. And I'll tell you what, this Ford club would be really nice. You always get to meet Mr. Wrench too. If you have some technical, mechanical questions, Mr. Wrench is always there to lend you a hand, if you will. Well, let's do one last thing. I guess you look at it and say, I love the video. It's great. Shows all the car. We do the cold start. You get all the real feel for the car. But if you want to come and look at it in person, we're very happy to have you come to Ellingson's no matter what. We are open to the public Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. For those of you who want to make sure that it's what it is, that you fit in the car, everything is all copacetic just the way you like it, that's something that a lot of folks do. Well, 1956 was a great year for Ford. Beautiful cars all the way around. Again, one of my favorites. Still has the vent windows. One of my still favorite things. And power windows to boot on this one. It's really, really loaded with all those bells and whistles. And that's really important looking forward down the road. People, cars that if you have for a while decide that you don't want it any longer, boy, the cars with options really, really are much easier to sell and much more marketable, especially one that has factory air. Well, there you go. That's a 1956 Ford in a nutshell. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 763-428-7337, and we'll do our very best to answer those questions for you. Thank you again for watching our video. We appreciate it very much. I'm looking forward to seeing you again next time at EllingsonMotorcars.com.